Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to forward message on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on messages app. Click on messages app and select conversation from here. And if you want to forward message, just click and hold on message. After just click and hold on message, click on this three dot icon and you will see second option is forward. If you want to forward message, click on forward and you will see select contact from here and you will see after select contact, click on next. After click on next and click on SMS, you will see your message is forward. After forward message, go back to home screen. So that's how you can forward message on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.